today is a big day. We got new sails, we got a new Yankee, and we got a new mainsail going on the boat. We got a northwest wind blowing about 10 to 15, and I'm excited. I'm nervously excited to see that these sails fit the boat properly after I took the measurements, and so we'll see. We're gonna get them up and get after it. All right, let's get this mainsail on.
All right, Captain.
Got the new sails on the boat today. So far, so good. Headed east out of the Neuse River. It's a nice day. Temperatures in the upper 60s. Miss Deirdre doing her thing. I'm liking the way my sails fit so far. Things seem good. Boat's handling good. The boat points so much better with the new sails. Precision Sails made these for me, and my Yankee is just a little bit bigger, and that's only because they did a great job at helping me fit the Yankee better than the original Yankee was made. My mainsail has been awesome. If it was blowing any harder and I wanted to be a little bit more gentle, I'd put a reef in her, but we're cruising along right now at 6 knots on a close reach. I'm really stoked at how well into the wind the boat is sailing now compared to what it did under the old sails. So Fulla Bulla's loving life. Yeah, we got to give a shout out to Precision Sails. Thanks for all the hard work, guys. You guys were awesome to us.